world of Temp-tations. Look at this. See this right here? The handles are up top. So if you have a larger countertop oven and you wanted to fit it in there, remember when the handles were on the side out here and you said, ooh, maybe I could get it, maybe I could finagle and get it. Nope. Handles are up top now, so you can slide that in. I love that about this design. But what I also love is it's sculptural. Hear that? That design is raised on the outside, so it's a really pretty and also tactile experience. This is a special edition. That means no reorder. This is a collector's piece. It's a lidded baker, and those handles point up. It's 3 quarts in size. Lidded bakers are a huge request from Temp-tations, and this is a 20-year celebration of Temp-tations. Now, let's talk about the 4 color choices that we have available for you. Here it is in taupe. Beautiful neutral that we have for you. Oh my gosh, I want to put a lasagna in here so bad. We also have it in gray. We do have that beautiful plum, most limited in the plum, and we have one final color called slate blue. Now, it is a featured price. It's $38.48, and the price goes up at the end of the day. It is on free shipping. That's Temp-tations stoneware on free shipping. And we have 4 easy payments of $9.62. Lisa Lasorte is back in the show to talk to us all about this special edition piece. And Lisa, there's so many things about this that we love already, including being able to spend more time with you.
Oh, Mary, you too. I agree. But here's what's so great about this. First of all, if you've never tried Temp-tation, what a great way to give our brand a try. This is our beautiful sculptural stoneware. If you're new to stoneware, it's oven safe to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the oven. But let's talk about the beautiful detail. So it's our 2 most popular floral patterns, our old lace. And Mary, you mentioned all sculptural. Look how gorgeous the detail is on that. Beautiful hand carved embossing all the way around. I'm going to put it down for a second because I want to show you the lid. Even the finial at the top of that 3-quart oval. Look how gorgeous that is. You talked about the handles earlier. These are modern, they're ergonomic, they're updated design that literally these upswept handles. So my hands are away from the hot baker, yet I can pass it from person to person. Why do you need a covered baker now? Because as we get to the warmer months, stoneware is going to keep your hot food hotter longer, but your cold food colder longer as well. And by the way, when you cover things, it keeps all of those nasty little bugs out as well. So this is a must-have piece, and the solid colors will match back to everything you've been collecting over the past 20 years.
You know what? It's funny. I'm looking in our chat right now. This is such a beloved brand here at QVC. Deneen just wrote in our chat, I do love these figural pieces. And when it comes to that beautiful sculptural design, I want you to see, I mean, you could see our old world is found here, our floral lace is found here. So this is part of what I like to refer to as the classics from Temp-tations, because old world and floral lace are the 2 most popular patterns from the Temp-tations family. But when it comes to when you see special edition, you want to grab it before it's gone. I'm going to quickly go through the colors because I saw Lisa standing there with a big old casserole pot of something. I don't want her to have to stand there for too long. Here it is in taupe. We also have it in gray. Here's your plum. Most popular in plum, fewer than 450 now left to go around. Here's the slate blue. Fewer than 500 there. The price goes up at the end of the day, and the easy payments are gone at the end of the day. The entire Temp-tations collection is on free shipping today, including this piece, because it's free ship day here at QVC. What you got in there? I gotta know.
Look at this. I have mac and cheese with bacon and tomato on top. Come on, Mare. Come on over. I miss you, my friend. All right, stoneware. Check this out. Naturally non-stick. So I'm literally pulling right away from the side. Look at the steam releasing. Look at the bubbling. When you look all the way right down there, all the way around. This is just amazing, Mary. And yeah, now's the time to pick this up because we're never going to make this again. It's a collector's piece. It's a limited edition. Absolutely stunning. Mare,
that
what do you think?
It looks so good. I had to lay down.
Mary.
Listen, sometimes mac and cheese it makes you have to refocus. That looks so good. Mike, My casserole dish is beautiful, but it's empty.
How did she get up there?
Yeah, how did you?
A lot more limber than you'd think. But this too, you know, there are many pieces from Temp-tations that we love, we use every day. You're going to use this one all the time.
Yeah.
But a lot of my Temp-tations pieces now are collector's pieces. These are collector's items. And this is that special edition. You know, we've celebrated Temp-tations for 20 years.
Yes.
Their stoneware has been on our tables for the memories of our lives, for anniversaries. Every single Thanksgiving since I have been here at QVC, which is coming up on 15 years, has had Temp-tations on the table. For Christmas, I gift Temp-tations. The very first purchase that I made at QVC nearly 15 years ago was Temp-tations. And guess what I still have? That set of 2 bakers with lids on it. But guess what we don't see very often? Bakers with lids. Here is one. And that's why when you see a special edition, you grab it. These are memory makers. And quite frankly, I've had recipes that have turned out great. And I've had recipes that were not winners, but they always look like winners when I present them in my Temp-tations. And so this color choice is your taupe. We also have that beautiful gray that you see on your screen. We've got the plum, but it's very popular and very limited. And we have 400 left in the plum, actually. And then here is that slate blue. Now, the slate blue is a beautiful kind of gray blue choice, and it is on a price that goes up at the end of the day and easy pay that's gone away at the end of the day. Oh, you're a saint among men. Thank you, my friend. Tom just brought me some water because I was planking. You probably thought I was losing my marbles. This is really, you know, it's Temp-tations is such a memory maker for me, and I know for so many, Lisa, that when I see these, I just want to bake more. Look what you made.
I know.
Pretty.
Mary, this is what it's all about, right? And you're right. For 20 years, we're so honored to be gracing your table and a part of all of your memories, whether it's everyday or holiday. And the fact that you can now take your KitchenAid mixer, get a box mix right in here. You don't have to transfer from dish to dish. You can serve cakes, pastas, fruit salads. You can put your shrimp cocktail on ice. There's nothing you can't do. We don't do a lot of ovals. Here's a 3-quart. We don't do a lot of lidded bakers. Here's a lidded baker. And you know what we don't do a lot of? Solids. This is a solid. I love the plum. It looks great with confetti, by the way. If you love confetti, what a beautiful partner to confetti.
So
that
true.
slate blue is like that steel blue that is so on trend, so beautiful. It kind of, you know, is somewhere in between a slate gray and a blue, and it's gorgeous. But beautiful colors, an incredible pattern, and wow. Free shipping. This is one heavy quality piece. Amazing.
You're not kidding. And you know what? I love you so much because it looked like you pointed to cake and said, this is a salad, and that's why we're friends. So, Lisa, I'll see you again in just a little bit. Continue to place your orders. I know it's a popular find in the show.